Do you know that 2025 is the best year to start a new business? Technology, online platforms, and people's needs are changing fast. Some people will become millionaires because they grab the right idea at the right time. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 powerful business ideas for 2025. Real, practical, and possible to start with little or no money. Stay with me till the end, because idea number 15 might surprise you. Number 1. Freelancing with AI support. Freelancing has become one of the fastest growing career paths. With platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, anyone can connect with clients worldwide. Now, with AI tools, it's easier than ever to do high-quality work. For example, you can offer graphic design, translation, or content writing. AI will help you work faster and deliver professional results. Number 2. Online teaching and tutoring education is one of the biggest online markets. Millions of people are looking for teachers who can teach languages, finance, computer skills, or school subjects. You can create online courses or teach students directly on Zoom, Google Meet, or YouTube. Even if you start small, you can grow a loyal group of learners over time. Number 3. Content creation services. Every company and personal brand wants to grow on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. But most don't have time to edit videos or design thumbnails. You can start your own content creation service where you handle video editing, short clips, and thumbnails for creators or businesses. This is a service in very high demand. Number 4. E-commerce and online stores. Selling products online is not only for big companies anymore. Anyone can start a small store through Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. You can sell clothes, handmade crafts, or even digital products. Once you gain customers, you can expand step by step into a larger business. Number 5. Blogging or running a YouTube channel. If you have knowledge in any subject, finance, food, health, or motivation, you can share it through blogs or YouTube videos. At first, it might not make money, but if you stay consistent, ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can bring you long-term income. Number 6. Food processing and packaging. Food is something that never goes out of demand. Starting small with snacks, chips, dairy products, or dried fruits can become a big business over time. Simple packaging and branding can make a big difference in attracting customers. Number 7. Recycling and waste management. Plastic, paper, and metal waste are everywhere. Turning them into useful products can be both profitable and eco-friendly. For example, recycled paper can be used to make notebooks, which are always in demand. Number 8. Solar energy solutions. The demand for clean and renewable energy is rising worldwide. Installing, selling, or repairing solar systems can be a powerful business idea for the future. Number 9. Water filtration and supply access to clean water is one of the biggest needs today. A small business that filters and supplies water can grow rapidly, especially in areas where bottled water is expensive. Number 10. Event planning and management. People will always celebrate birthdays, weddings, and cultural events. Event planning is more about creativity and organization than money. With good planning, you can build a strong reputation and earn steady income. Number 11. Tutoring and coaching. If you are good at teaching, you can provide one-on-one or group lessons in school subjects, languages, or business skills. This requires very little investment but has strong earning potential. Number 12. Handmade crafts. Handmade items like jewelry, carpets, or cultural clothes have strong markets both online and offline. Selling them on social media can connect you to local and global buyers. Number 13. Fitness and health coaching. People care more about their health today than ever before. If you have knowledge about fitness, workouts, or diet plans, you can provide online or offline coaching sessions. Number 14. Translation services. Translation is a highly demanded skill in the global market. Offering translation for English, Arabic, Chinese, or any local language can be a great source of income. Number 15. Personal finance consulting. Most people don't know how to budget, save, or invest their money. If you have knowledge in finance, you can help people plan their money wisely and even build your brand as a consultant. So these were 15 powerful business ideas for 2025. Some of them can be started online, while others are more practical and local. But what they all have in common is this: you can start small and grow step by step. Remember, don't wait for the perfect moment. Choose one idea, take action today, and your business can grow faster than you imagine. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Nasari Business Tips for more ideas on business, finance, and investment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.